Hello guys. Let's learn some Python's basic facts with explanation and simple example. Tim Peters, a major contributor to the Python community, wrote this poem to highlight the philosophies of Python. If you type and import this in your Python idle, you'll find the poem. Let's see the example by importing this file. Python will let you assign the same value to multiple variables in one statement. It will also let you assign values to multiple variables at once. This also means swapping in Python is quicker. We will understand it by example of swapping two numbers. With slicing, it's easier to reverse a list. If we slice a list of values from starting to end but with a step of -1, we get the list right to left, reversed. Let's implement reversing numbers by using slicing method. If you type in string literals separated by a space, Python concatenates them together. So, hello, world, becomes hello world. We will understand this through example. Thank you all, hope so you all enjoy the video and learned something from this.